Welcome to my channel, at Veterinary Diary. In this video, we will share about, what if bitten by a dog that has rabies? If bitten by a dog that is suspected to have rabies, it is crucial to take immediate action. 1. Wash the wound. Thoroughly wash the bite area with soap and water for at least 15 minutes. This can help reduce the risk of infection. 2. Seek medical attention. Go to a healthcare provider or emergency room as soon as possible. Rabies is a life-threatening disease, and prompt medical intervention is essential. 3. Report the incident. Inform local animal control or public health authorities about the bite. This can help track the dog and assess rabies risk. 4. Post-exposure prophylaxis, PEP. A healthcare provider may recommend a rabies vaccination series, which is crucial if the dog is confirmed to have rabies or if it cannot be observed. 5. Monitor symptoms. Be aware of any symptoms of rabies in yourself or the dog, such as unusual behavior or signs of illness. Timely medical intervention can prevent the onset of rabies, which is almost always fatal once symptoms appear. Thank you for watching. We hope this video is useful. In this video,